Class 9th, Chapter 13, Exercise 13.1, Surface Areas and Volumes. 7th question. Shanti Sweets Stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Two sizes of boxes were required. The bigger of dimensions 25 cm into 20 cm into 5 cm and the smaller of dimensions 15 cm into 12 cm into 5 cm. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 per 1000 cm square, find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. First, I will write to make bigger boxes. What is the total surface area is required to make bigger box? So what are the bigger box dimensions? Length L equals to 25 cm and breadth B equals to 20 cm and height H equals to 5 cm. Total surface area of big box, a big box equals formula, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH or HL. Now submit the values. 2 into L nothing but length 25 into B nothing but breadth 20 plus B nothing but breadth 20, height H nothing but 5 cm plus H 5 cm, length 25 cm. Now 2 into 25 into 20, it is 500 plus 20 into 5, 100 plus 5 into 25, it is 125. Now 2 into 500 plus 100, 600, 600 plus 125, it is 725. By multiplying 2 into 725, we will get 1450 centimeter square. This is a total surface area of one big box, that is 1450 centimeter square. But we require 200 boxes. Total surface area of 250 boxes, not 200, 250 boxes equals to area of one box into 250. Area of one box is 1450 into we required 250 boxes. So after multiplying 1450 and 250, we will get 3,62,500 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of 200 big boxes, that is 3,62,500 centimeter square. Next one, to make smaller box. To make smaller box, so required cardboard. To get required cardboard, first write the dimensions of smaller box, that is length equals to 15 centimeter L and breadth B equals to 12 centimeter and height H equals to 5 centimeter. TSA of small box, nothing but total surface area of a small box equals formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now submit the values. 2 into LB nothing but 15 into 12, length into breadth plus BH, breadth into height 12 into 5 plus H into L, height into length 5 into 15. Now 2 into 15 into 12, it is 180 plus 15 into 5, 60 plus 15 into 5, it is 75. By adding these all values, 2 into 180 plus 60, 240, 240 plus 75, 315. By multiplying these two, 315 into 2 will get 630 centimeter square. It is a required card box to make a small box, that is 630 centimeter square. Next we required 250 small boxes. So TSA of total surface area of 250 small boxes, that is area of one box into number of boxes, 630 into 250 will get 1,57,500 centimeter square. Now add the total surface area of 250 big boxes and total surface area of 250 small boxes. Then total surface area of boxes, both types, total surface area of 250 boxes, in that one both types, that are 3,62,500 plus 1,57,500. After adding these two, we'll get 5,20,000 centimeter square. So to make 250 big boxes and 250 small boxes, we required 5,20,000 centimeter square cardboard. Area for overlaps, already they are given in the question itself. Area for overlaps, that is 5%. Area of overlaps, 5% of total surface area of boxes. So what is the total surface area? 5% of 5,20,000 centimeter square. 5% nothing but 5 by 100 into 5,20,000. 2 zeros cut, multiply it, 5 into 5,200 will get 26,000 centimeter square. It is extra required area of overlaps, that is 26,000 centimeter square. Now total surface area of cardboard we required. Total surface area TSA of the cardboard equals to total surface area of 250 boxes, big one, and total surface area of small boxes plus area of overlaps, nothing but total surface area of both boxes, it is 5,20,000 plus 26,000 centimeter square. Now it is total, we will get 5,46,000 centimeter square. But cost of 1,000 centimeter square cardboard is, right, I will write here, cost of 1,000 centimeter square cardboard equals to rupees 4. But here we required 5,46,000 centimeter square cardboard. So cost of 5,46,000 centimeter square cardboard equals to, that is equals to 5,46,000 divided by 1,000 into 4, 3 zeros cut, 546 into 4 will get 2,184. So what is the cost of 5,46,000 centimeter square cardboard? That is 2,184 rupees. Thank you so much.